I'm going to show you how to make a marathon runner costume. First thing what you need to do is to search the marathon runner stack and print him out big icon. After you print out the big icon, what you need to do is to cut it. Just like this. And then what you need to do is to tape it on the shirt. Just like this. Make sure you put a lot of tape and put it strong enough. After you apply the tape cover the whole paper, what you need to do is to try it on. So this is the end result. Like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you have the sweatpants.